If your job is predictable, AI has already learned it. Artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping the workforce, with 5 roles facing immediate disruption. Data entry clerks, routine customer service representatives, basic copywriters, proofreaders, and administrative staff are all seeing their predictable tasks automated by increasingly capable AI systems. So how do you stay relevant? The answer lies in embracing what makes us uniquely human. While AI excels at processing information and executing predictable tasks, it struggles with strategic thinking, true creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical judgment. These distinctly human capabilities cannot be easily replicated by algorithms. By developing these future-proof skills, you position yourself to work alongside AI rather than being replaced by it. The professionals who thrive will be those who can provide the strategic direction, creative vision, and human connection that technology cannot. Focus on becoming irreplaceable by mastering what machines cannot learn.